What's going on, first grade? Mr. Hunter here with your first grade lesson for reading this week. We are going to be breaking in on our worksheet. What is the number of page 77, but it's week number 12, day number 1, day numero uno. We're going to be talking about prediction today. And this week, actually, all our stories are going to be focused on prediction and predicting. You may know what prediction is or what predicting is, but we're going to do a refresher today, okay? Prediction is just an added word for predict. Predict means to make a good guess about what may happen next. Everybody say that. To predict means to make a good guess about what may happen next. All right. It says in my book right here, it says, good readers pay close attention to what the characters say and what they do. All right. They use the clues to predict what will happen next. Now, we've done this sometimes without even knowing that we've done it. We've looked at a picture on a page and said, I think this story may be about this. Oh, I think I know what's going to happen. How many of you guys have done that before? I know you've done it before. You've done it in my class numerous times. So we're going to be predicting. All right. So first off, you have to write your name. You have to write the date. We're going to read the instructions, and then I'm going to read the story aloud, and you're going to follow along. You're going to listen closely. All right. Before we do the activity at the bottom, I want you to consider the answers that are that could be happening in the story. All right. So you have to listen carefully, pay very close attention to what I'm saying for the story. All right. So we're going to read the story, and you are asking yourself, point to yourself and say, I am asking myself, what will probably happen next? Okay. You know what I predict? I predict you guys are going to come up with some good answers, and you're going to pay attention, and you're going to do really good on this worksheet. All right. So let's go. All right. So I'm going to read loud, and then I'll read the story again. The skunk wants to get away from the dog, but the skunk has short legs. It cannot run fast. So the skunk tries to scare the dog. The skunk hisses and growls, but the dog does not move. The skunk pounds its foot. The sound does not scare the dog. Then the skunk lifts its tail. The skunk shoots stinky spray at the dog's face. The dog's eyes hurt. The dog cannot see. Your job is to predict what happens next. But I want you to take this time, and I want you to read the story again, okay? I want you to read the story again very slowly, very carefully. You can even look at the picture, and you can think, what is happening in this picture? What do I think is going to happen? Pay very close attention to how the story builds up. Once you get to the end, then is when you're going to say, what's going to happen next? Okay, so I want you to read the story again. All right, you're going to read it again now. I'm going to keep going down to the questions. All right, so you can pause the video now. Once you've unpaused it, or once you finish reading it again, you can unpause it, and then you'll pick up with the questions. All right, so pause the video and you read it again. All right, I'm glad you read it again. You're ready to jump back in. This one, we're looking at the bottom. It says fill in the circle next to the correct answer, not just to any answer, to the correct answer. Number 1, what will probably happen next? A, the skunk will laugh at the dog. B, the skunk will get away. Or C, the skunk will hiss and pound. So you read the entire story. What happens next in the story after the dog's eyes hurt and the dog cannot see? Number 2, how will the skunk scare the dog? A, by hissing. B, by pounding. C, by shooting stinking spray. How will the skunk scare the dog? A, by hissing. B, by pounding. Or C, by shooting stinky spray. Number 3, what will probably happen the next time the dog sees the skunk? A, the dog will spray the skunk. B, the dog will run away. Or C, the skunk will run fast. All right, you should have your answers all bubbled in. They should be, you should be good on that. Now at the bottom, it says word meanings. you're going to circle the picture of a spray of water. All right. So that's just for you to look and visualize. You're going to do that. Should be simple. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. Nice and quick, but we're predicting, and I'm predicting I'm going to see you tomorrow.